Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pinch with 2 fingers the 2 plastic tabs located on both sides of the arm, then slide the blade outwards to remove it. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put in place the new wipers, slide them down the arm of the wiper and clip it. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.